Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hope you guys are doing really well. So today I will be sharing a quintessential Bengali recipe, bhapa chingri. Also you can call it a steamed prawn. The USP of the dish is this is super easy, super quick and super tasty. You need only few ingredients to make this dish, and this dish can become a hero if suddenly guest appears to your home. Even you can serve this on special occasions like today I will be serving this on Jamai Shoshti in my home. For making bhapa chingri, we will need prawns. I have taken around 14 prawns, yogurt around 2 tablespoons, green chilies definitely according to your taste, some coconut slices, sugar, salt, turmeric, yellow mustard and black mustard. You can definitely adjust the yellow seeds and the black seeds according to your taste. If you are looking for spicy and sharp bites in your dish, you can definitely add more black mustard seeds. And of course, I will be cooking the dish in mustard oil. Definitely there is no substitute for mustard oil. I have soaked the mustard seeds into water. If you have time, you can soak it for 2 hours in hot water, and before blending, definitely strain this. I'm making the paste first with the mustard seeds, green chili and little bit of salt. The salt will help the mixture to blend smoothly. I will add the turmeric powder. If the mixture is too dry, you can add little water. Adding little bit of sugar, I'm seasoning the prawns with little bit of salt. You can see I have made a very smooth paste, but don't blend it too much, otherwise this can become bitter. Now I will add the yogurt into this. Adding mustard oil into this. This is one of the easiest, quickest and the most delicious recipe. Now I will add the prawns into this. Coat all the prawns very well into the mixture. Adding little more mustard oil into this. As I said, there are no replacement for mustard oil in the dish. Adding 2 green chilies. I have made a little slit. Adding green chilies. I have slitted them. Cover this with a cling film. So this is ready to go into the micro oven. I will cook this for 7 minutes, and yes, it will be done by then. It's done, as you can see, and the prawns are also cooked very well. I hope you like the recipe. If you like it, do try this out at home and let me know in the comments below. And please subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends and family. And those who are not getting notifications when we are posting our videos, please press the bell icon next to the subscribe button. Thank you. Stay happy. Stay beautiful. Bye bye.